Now, a major risk event is coming up on Tuesday for the US ahead of the Federal Reserve's interest rate meeting on Wednesday. Now, it's US CPI data. Now, although it's unlikely to change the Fed's mind for Wednesday, it will certainly set the mood and tone for the dollar. If you look at the Euro US dollar pair, what you can see that over the last 5 years, around the print of the consumer price index data, the Euro US dollar has lost value over 60% of the time for an average return of minus 0.15% in the 2 days after the event. So look out for US dollar strength and Euro US dollar selling around the CPI print, particularly if it comes in much higher than markets are expecting. Now, take a look at the expectations. You can see that the headline is expected to come in at 3.1 and the core at 4. But if the headline comes in at 3.2 or higher, and the core comes in at 4.1, so 4.2 or higher, and the other two metrics beat, then look for Euro US dollar selling, because this would likely see the dollar strengthen ahead of the Federal Reserve meeting on Wednesday, and should send the Euro US dollar pair lower in line with the seasonal event bias around the time of this print. Remember, don't just trade it, Seasonax It. The major trade risks, all outlooks have risk, and of course this is no exception. The major risk here is if the CPI data is really weak. In this case, we would typically expect the Euro US dollar to move higher.